Politricks watch. This is LP. Now, today I'm going to be talking about two things. Both of them are St. James issues. You see, your favorite producer has been charged. Yes, 3 counts of murder. We're going to talk about it. The next thing will be a video I'm going to show you. This video sum up Jamaica. When I tell you, say, the place I run like a poorly written movie. You know them movie there is so terrible, where the acting look like say them either try too hard or they don't know what they do, and you wonder who made this. Well, that's Jamaica. I show you a video with 87s trying to carry out what appears to be a robbery. So, let us start off with your favorite producer. By now, you'd have probably heard the Snake has been charged for the triple murder that took place in St. James. But they tell you a long time say, not just the Snake, but Fathead was also under criminal operation. Now, I realize say, so far, we don't hear anything regarding Fathead, so I listen out for you while going this so. But it was only a matter of time. You see, just like the previous video, we met about the Snake, I tell you say, if then they delay any longer, even though they left the island, and then they money catch him again. Because you know say, once man fly out, or take the boat, or whatever, it look like like that. So, all I can say is let's see. That's the statement we're going to use anytime you see the security forces arrest somebody, and we say investigations are going on, and them get charged, and they're going to be put before the courts. Because one thing we learn with the ongoing Transman trial, even when time it look like it's an easy layup and it can't miss, next thing you know, the ball not going at the net. Next thing, you see the ball just spin around the rim and miss the shot. So, right now, I'm just sticking with let's see. So, the security forces did say, in a June, they will start clamp down on people and might quell the situation. When you hear me call it Jamaican, it start to look like maybe, just maybe, them did serious. I'm keeping an eye out to see who else I get bring in. I'm keeping an eye out to see who else I get take out. And remember, this was really for Western Jamaica, right? With the USA for Western Jamaica, which is St. James and Westmoreland mainly, because at them two places they currently are lead number 1 and number 2, right, for most murders in the country. So, make us see what will happen. Jamaican has turned out to be interesting so far. So as you can imagine, as usual, the Snake fans are saying, Sita, more bad mind. They won't stop fight against the innocent Snake. Why they won't leave the man alone? But at this point, these agents are laughable. Remember, these are the same people who at first they tell us say, everything you hear over here so is nothing but lies and a desperate attempt to make up things to get views. As I'm telling you, Jamaica, if you want to be a popular criminal, just go in entertainment. When the regular 87 on the road, who don't make no song, don't produce no music, commit a crime, the same Jamaican people them say, yeah, get them off the street. Police need to mash them up. We tired of the crime. But if that same entertainer know how to sing song, make words rhyme, right, produce rhythm, or in certain people's case, make other man produce rhythm and then you claim it, then the same people them say, left the man alone, who not pressure the man for, who no bad mind. These people are like a leaf, they just blow with the wind. 1 minute they're over here, next minute they're over there. See, when time them telling you say, we need to be tough on crime, what they mean is, tough on criminals who are not famous. Tough on criminals who are not popular. Tough on criminals who don't entertain them. The same people them who tell us say, gunman or raper bull forget jungle justice. When time them hear say, it's them favorite celeb, them say, well, you know, nobody is perfect. You don't say that about the regular youth from Portland and St. Thomas. You say, kill him. You say jungle justice. When it comes down to your favorite producers and your favorite artists, all of a sudden, you transform into Mother Teresa. you become Gandhi-like. All of a sudden, you're a humanitarian. The problem is, not I want to care more about celebrities than I care about on own pitney. Many of your favorite Jamaicans know more about celebrities than they do their own family members. Many of your favorite Jamaicans know more about celebrity pitney than they do their own pitney. If you ask them certain details about them favorite artists or favorite actor, favorite producers pitney, them can tell you everything. Them can tell you which school them go, which year them graduate, what them teacher, but ask them about them own pitney. And speaking about this post from Observer, it's kinda spooky how the screenshot capture that number of likes. Look on your screen. When you see how much likes it have? 666. 666. Now that right there so is spooky. It's going to be an interesting summer. Now, when I show you the video, I'm going to talk about earlier. I'm going to play the video in full. I'm not even going to say nothing. I just want to watch the video full itself, and then I'll give you my commentary at the end of the video. So check this out. Now, based on the reports, this happened somewhere in St. James, right, rural St. James. Look like some kind of business establishment. The man that try rob it, right, and then look like say them see a man down the road and some kind of challenge go on. Now, I always tell them to say 87s are not built in a shootout. They do not want any resistance. No matter how much big gun you see them lock, no matter how much rifle you see them par with, when you hear them brag about them kill 20-30 people, them have 40 dopey. Them walk up a man, shoot them, and run gone. It's not a case where you're winning any gunfights. And videos like this show you that. Now, I don't know who the man is to challenge them. I don't even know him having them on, to be honest. Because as you can see on your screen, that don't even look like a gun. If that's a gun, that must be some kind of space age weapon them find. That must be something from out Star Wars. It even look like a hammer. I don't even, to be honest, this is the strangest part of the video. To be honest, if it wasn't for the part where I see the female guard, I get dragged on the ground, and then I see the rounds them, I hit the turf, after 87s I fire off of this man, right, you can see the dust and anything that fly up. I would think that's some kind of joke this, because the way this brother come out, him almost look like a troll him a troll. This brother look like, in time, the community, you have a little man where him always, take up things and aim it and treat it like some kind of gun. This is how this man look. I don't know where him having him on, but whatever him have, 87 is them turn fool. You see the one with the rifle, him have big long gun name and a pose up, and when he go out there, he turn fool. Look how most in drop and run left all the gun. And them man on the rate, you know. And them man down the say, on the hero, them man down say bad man. They're not built for fight. This is why I'm telling you, say, the number one goal of a licensed firearm holder is to not get catch off guard. Don't get caught slipping. No care you see them with them big long gun and them fancy rifle with all kind of, fancy muzzle on it, and them have this type of scope. Right, and you see them have 100 round drum magazine, and you say, boy, look like say them opposing. 87s want turn up, see them victim unarmed, shoot him as much time as them want, and then run off, go up on the corner, go laugh and say, yeah man, we give him about 20 rounds. When them get little resistance, them turn fool. Look how much of them. Them outnumber the man. Them have superior weapons than the man. And the man them a scatter like one time, light turn on, and one roach turn fool. And them are the same man them a brag every day. We have the big long K, and one time when you see how the youth hold the rifle, this is why I'm telling you our murder rate is helped by the fact that 87s for the most part are incompetent with weapons. Them have to catch you up close, point blank, or a stoplight and you don't see them, or you don't want to borrow a drink and you don't pay attention to them come in and shoot you, or them sneak up by you, something like that. This whole heap of big chat, man a long range sniper, no you're not. The best word we can think of to describe this whole thing is comical. But in real life, this is what you call the Wild Wild West. I wish we could have seen with this man having a man. I don't even know why I'm deep on this scene. The way him behave is almost like say, I am the MP for the area. And him upset, so the man are coming in place. That's how him a go on. Right. This brother is like, how dare you? Right. Who do you think you are? That's my profile. But you see this never get catch on camera. You know where that happen? The 87 them who turn fool and run gone, right, jump in their car and drive off. They gonna go back on them corner, go brag, and say, yeah man, until we pull up, I will start fire shot, everybody start running. This man a bad man dog. They gonna hype up themselves. They gonna make it sound like say, them are some kind of superhero. But in a real life, one man with something that don't even look like a gun, just point it on them, and then turn fool, be a wild shot. When you see how much rounds are lit the ground, just a fly up, and them man there, your favorite MP, want to go sit down with and have truce. And them man there, your favorite MP, want to appease. What can we do for you? Tell us what you want. Them man there. If civilians in Jamaica could defend themselves, no for these 87s would have disappear. But these are your eras. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.